Okay, so here we go. We've got, and it's gonna be hard to see here, but remember that's where our carrots are planted right there. You can see the stakes marking the carrots. Then we've got the spaghetti squash there, summer squash, jalapeno, pimento. Then we've got where those are our cucumbers we started in the house about 3 weeks ago. So hopefully they're gonna get a little bit bigger. I think they were only growing as big as the container would let them. So then we've got Roma tomato. If you can't tell, I like Roma tomatoes. Beefsteak tomato. And then I got another mound right there, if you can't see it, that has another spaghetti squash in it. The spaghetti squash said it had to be 6 feet apart. So there's our garden right now. Now you'll notice right here, there's a big bare spot in the middle right here. That's where the strawberries are gonna go, and we're gonna put those in this week. So it is March 13th, Thursday, and everything went in last night. Again, the gardener didn't want her face on YouTube, so I took a little snippet from the back. She didn't know, but it was good spending time with Mom and getting this stuff planted. Now, hopefully we have a garden. We got some vegetables here shortly. When I say shortly, in a couple months. We'll see. Most people already know this as well, but I always mark my plants with the little stake that came with them. I will tell you this also, if you notice, I've got some stakes under my beefsteak tomatoes right there, just because these plants are so tall already, and I didn't want them falling over. It's a little breezy right through here, through this back part of my yard. So also looking, I don't see where anything's been digging in here. We had a squirrel dug a hole in here the other day, but so I hung this up. So we'll see what happens. We may need to put some streamers over top of it or something like that, just so they see motion. But again, hopefully this helped you. It's early morning here in Austin, Texas, but we got our plants in. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you on the next one.